Joining us now on Skype with some deeper insight into the Netanyahu corruption scandals is Simcha Rothman, a legal advisor for the Israeli Movement for Governability and Democracy. Now, last night's developments are pretty dramatic. One of Bibi's closest aides has turned state witness. How do you think that this changes things?
I think it's not changing anything because we don't know at that time state witness against who. We all live in an environment that we hear a lot of rumors, but there is no concrete proof for anything. And the fact that the media already buried Netanyahu, it happened many times before. I think that to expect that Netanyahu will change his behavior now because of an investigation that started now. He wasn't even investigated in this issue.
Well,
I think.
Well, I'd like to talk about the state witness Shlomo Filber. Netanyahu allies are calling him a snitch. What do you make of this? Surely, if Netanyahu was involved in illegal activities, the public should know, right?
I think that the public should know, but as of now, there is a secrecy clause in the state witness agreement. No one supposed to know what's in it. No, but what we do know is that Netanyahu wasn't even investigated in this new issue. So I find it hard to believe, and also against the procedures of state witness, according to the Attorney General own procedure, that the state witness agreement will be signed against someone who wasn't even investigated, because state witness is not the default way to go in this kind of cases.
Now, we're going to have to wrap up soon, but a poll released last night shows that Netanyahu's Likud party are still getting 34 seats, which is 14 more than the next party. The question is Netanyahu going to call for elections? Is it possible for that to happen right now?
I think that the more and more new investigations start, I think the public is already, you can see that in social media, you can see that many other places. I think the public starting to lose faith in the police, not in Netanyahu, because the police, when allegations that one of the new ideas it is that Netanyahu, a close person, offered bribery to a former judge, and at the real time she went to the current Chief Justice and told her about that, and no one ever thought that it was serious, and no one reported it. So if the Chief Justice did not think it's serious, and the former judge did not think it's serious, how come 2 years after it became serious? We see, I believe, something that the public see as a witch hunt. And I think that
but polls aren't necessarily saying that. We are seeing a strong Likud coalition, but polls are showing that the public, for the most part, believes that Netanyahu should be stepping down. There's more of a majority. But again, these are all allegations. We have to wait for, indictment to be given. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.